We've seen that the momentum of a system of particles and its center of mass is conserved in the absence of external forces. And given that momentum is a vector quantity, we can write the two-dimensional analogues of the conservation of momentum in Cartesian coordinates. So for example, if there's a net force in the horizontal direction, then momentum is not conserved in the x direction, but because there's no net force in the vertical direction, then momentum in this case is conserved in the vertical direction. And you can write similar expressions for the momentum of the center of mass of the system of particles in the horizontal and vertical directions.